All right, guys, so we got the concrete knocked out on top of where the shed is up there, and now we're gonna start knocking this out.
Where's that giver?
So, should be good. All right, guys, so we need 7 steps here going up, and then tomorrow we're gonna come back with the gravel, start on our steps coming up, and then we'll start work on this one. So today we got that cleared. You guys, all the brushes out, that cleared. That used to be fire pit. The cement up on top cleared, and now we're gonna take back the hammer. Alright, guys, so we are going to install the step units today. I'm gonna dig down about 6 inches here. This is where we're gonna start it, 6 inches. Pack our first layer of gravel and set our step in there. So
is that right? Just
yep.
light it.
Yeah. So all we have to do is get that level once.
Okay. What else? Anything else you need them down there?
Level, hammer. All right, guys. So we were able to lift the step units with the excavator without putting any straps or anything on there. So put the level on there once. Okay.
Geez, not horrible, is it?
That's high. Nope, right here. It's this one. It's not bad.
Yes. Okay, now that it's there, that rough.
It doesn't look bad.
No, but when it's sitting down there by itself. Because this will be filled in all here, right?
Yeah. Okay. Dude, that is solid.
That is not moving. Okay, so scoop this in.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding it.
Alright, guys. It's coming together. What you think, Emily?
I
Look
think
pretty
that
good?
looks like stairs.
Oh yeah. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
And then can you go this way at all? That looks pretty good. Yeah, it's disappointing.
No, not bad. Yeah. Nice. All right, that should be it. No.
Okay, I felt like that went really smooth.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Actually.
Mm-hmm.
I
If
don't
we
know what I
didn't,
thought in my head was gonna happen.
if we didn't have equipment, it'd be too. I mean, it is hard. Like even with the straps would have been hard.
Oh yeah, that
Just
would have
messing
been.
with
We'd
that.
still be on the third step. I have
Yeah.
a feeling.
So that went good.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding it. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high.
No. Jeez. No.
3.5.
Okay.
3 3/4.
get the packer, I guess, off. We're gonna slide the packer onto here and then bring it up here. It's in the back of my truck.
Okay, just onto the bucket.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid.
All right, good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and we got a small project we got to do. Morning. Got your boots on?
Yep. Oh, that sun is nice.
Get rested up?
Kind of.
Kinda.
So go cook some food, so I went over there and did the game.
Oh, you want to start that truck?
Which one?
That one? Yeah, just warm it up. I gotta get something there. So you guys, today Emily's off. Ashley's gonna help me on a small project, and so yeah, guys, it shouldn't take us too long. Shouldn't. That's the key word. Shouldn't. So we got paver, or not paver, flagstone patio we got installed. Everything's already there. I looked at the project like 3 weeks ago. Alright, let's go down here. You should be a pro at this, right?
Oh, yeah.
You should be.
One day.
Every time we say it's gonna take the hours that it's supposed to take,
never does.
It never does. It never does. So we have to install these here.
All these things.
Yeah, the customer's already got everything, the base all done. All we have to do is set them in.
Oh, really?
Well,
Jeez.
if they got it, if they have it set, if the base is right. So what I'm gonna do is, you want to pull that dump truck down here?
Yeah.
Pull that dump truck down here. I gotta take the pallet off of there, pallet fork, and then we're gonna load it up.
Okay.
I am just very lucky. Jesus. Lucky to have Ashley and Emily that are willing to work and willing to learn, you know, new things. And they pick up pretty quick, you guys. They're good workers, and they've been here, I think both of them almost over a year, maybe. No, Emily's been here less than a year. Ashley's been here over a year, I believe. We'll take that too, just in case. Alright guys, so we are here unloading the flagstones. I'm gonna start laying or fixing the
Okay.
thing here. Alright. So So I'm going to show you guys what we are working with. So here's what we're doing. We're putting the flagstone. The owner already has the border all done. We're going to fix the border just a little bit to level that out. And then all them flagstones are going in there, guys. It's about 12:30 right now, so we're what, almost halfway there. So, what you think?
I don't know. I think I could build one now.
Does it look good?
It does.
Looks pretty good to me. So guys, we're gonna go take lunch. Good thing we brought sand, or else we would have been in trouble. That would have been our second trip home. Alright guys, so we are about 3/4 way up there. It's probably what, about 2, 3? Probably 3? It's gotta be 3.
3.
So, been at it for a few hours. When we're done. Easy. Maybe I'll break this long.
Maybe he'll fit around that thing. Oh, right there you're talking.
Yeah. Somebody see my name. Chisel. Or Chiselman, isn't it?
Oh, where you put that?
I was like, what? I was like, why is he missing already? I got it. Yeah, just pour it right there.
Do we need a guy for that gap right there, or are we good?
Yeah, we'll leave him. Look, it's how I fit in this guy, you know?
Yeah, around the thing.
Yeah. So we are done. We're complete. Yeah, it just takes a lot of patience to just find the right pieces, you know?
No doubt. I've done a few of these.
Yeah.
We have a cabin up in Brainerd, like a tiny little place up there, and I did a patio like this. And you gotta get it just right. Yeah, that's.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a puzzle.
Yep. So there it is.